Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily enable Gyroscope in Once Human step by step. If you're looking for a way to improve your aiming and control in Once Human, then you can easily enable the Gyroscope. First of all, launch Open Once Human game on your device and make sure that the game is updated to the latest version. Once you're inside your game, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner from the home screen. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside Settings, make sure you're inside Basics and Common Settings. Now scroll down from the Common Settings and look for the Gyroscope option. Under Gyroscope, go ahead and select Always On, and you can also turn on and off the gyroscope to invert vertically, and once you are done, you'll be able to turn on Gyroscope in Once Human. So after making the selection, you can easily enable Gyroscope in the game. So as you can see that now if you tilt your screen with your hands, you'll be able to see you have successfully enabled Gyroscope in Once Human just like that. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.